Hello crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple, and today I have two completed layouts that I will share with you that have already been done off camera. I'm trying to catch up, and so there's lots to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and share with you real quick my week 39. I used Elle Studio's September kit. I used their journaling cards and a couple of their die cuts. I did end up using Jen Hadfield's stickers, and these are the little labels and stickers and stuff that I used. The rest are all die cuts from the September kit. I absolutely love this. So yeah, let me just quickly take you through my week. This week, we started off with my boys. Seeing them sing at church was great. Going with my mom to her appointment. My daughter got her Hoko proposal from her boyfriend and made this little sign for her and brought her some roses, which was really sweet. My son received the writing award for the month. And so here's my husband and I, and taking pictures with my little guy. Moving on to this side. Every year I host kind of like an October daily party. This was back in September, so I still haven't posted my pictures. I'm so bad at that. But so these are my witches. Three of my other witches were missing. So it was just the three of us, which was okay because we still had fun. These are just pictures of our cookies and spiders, and I made nachos, and we gave each other little gifts, little goodie bags with little things inside of them, and here we are just crafting. This little card set is my free printable. I have a card set. I'll go ahead and link them at the bottom in the description box so that you can print those out to use. I thought this is cute because it's suitable because we're all witches, and this one says resting witch face when she's so cute, the little cat. Moving on, this is my selfie picture, and this is my Thursday 3, and these are my 3 things that's going on in my world, at the moment. And then I journal a little bit of my witching hour. This day we went out to celebrate for my son's award, and this one I ended up going with my husband to the cherry auction, or it's kind of like a swap meet kind of a thing, an outdoor where they have vendors and booths and stuff like that. So that was that. So this was week 39. Moving on to week 40. For this week I used some of my September kit as well. I used a couple of more die cuts and cards here and here. And this is actually an extra card from my stash. And this one as well. And this one's from another printable set. I can't remember what it is. I'll try to remember. It's like Autumn Days collection. I can't remember who, Humble something. I can't even remember what it is. I'll put it in the description. And then I just added a couple of, I think this is Pink Fresh Studio, I'm not sure. So little things of my stash, and this is Paige Evans' Willow Lane, I think, a Bungalow Lane or something like that. So I used a couple of that because I had run out of cards, and so I wanted just to make the spread. And this is her fall collection, so I felt like the colors kind of went with the cards that were already in the September kit. So quickly, let me take you through my week. This one, I ordered some hot rollers for my hair. They work great, but my hair is too long. So, I mean, I guess I'll have to cut my hair and then be able to use these, but they work really well. I do have to say they're from Conair. And this one says the perfect day to stay home. So I remember doing my hair, and then I just had nowhere to go, and so I just stayed home and enjoyed a nice quiet day at home. This day right here is a picture of my son, my youngest son, and I just wanted to document his last day being 8 years old because it was already going to be October and he was going to be turning 9 the next day. And so this is the event here, which I kind of used 3 pictures of him turning 9 with his donut tower cake, and I used this card that says the details, and I added 3 little details, my daughter and her boyfriend, and then all of us as a family with my son. And then I did do a photo shoot with him, which I absolutely love. I want to maybe make this a separate page or maybe a spread of just pictures of him. So I love how these turned out. Then my Thursday 3, here's my selfie. And then one of the things that I put in my Thursday 3 was I'm loving packing my son's lunches for like month of October. I like putting in like little Halloween jokes for him, and I just loved him telling me how much he loves them and how he shares them with his friends. And so that was a little peek of that. And then this day, Friday night, we had a movie night, and it's a yearly tradition. We usually, you know, have our go-to movies, and Beetlejuice is one of them. And so we watched Beetlejuice, the first one, at home. We had pizza, and we watched as a family. And so that pretty much sums up week 40. So now I'm going to do I can't even talk, a process video of week 41. So if you wait till the end, you'll see. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, so this is going to go really quick. This is starting October. I believe it's like the second week of October. So I am making an October daily album. So all of the journaling and all the cool stuff that we do in October will be in that album. So this is just going to be a one side of the protector sheet. It's going to be really quick. Just all pictures and one journaling card. So that way I can fully catch up on all of this documenting stuff. So if you want to check out my October daily album, I have another playlist, so be sure to check that out. So for this week, I am using Elle Studios October kit. And so I decided that I would use this journaling card with the pumpkins on it, which is suitable because the top picture is a picture of us at the pumpkin patch. And we took a family photo here with my mom, and my daughter's boyfriend joined us, and so we took a big group pic, and we took lots of pictures, and that will be in the other album. So I just used a couple of die cuts here that came with the kit. I believe it says Autumn Fun, and then I just jot down Hillcrest, which is the pumpkin patch that we went to. It's one of our usual favorite spots. They have like a train and all that, and all the pumpkins that you can think of. So we went ahead and took that there. I had these pumpkins stickers. I believe I got them at Target a long time ago, and I still have some pumpkins left. So I decided that I would use this teal green one just to give it a pop of color. Then the next two 3x4 below that, the first one on the left hand side is a picture of my son. My mom made like a little surprise party for my son. My parents are divorced, so when we visit grandparents, we visit one house and then we visit the other house on the same day, which is usually Sundays. And so she surprised him, decorated everything, made it like a dinosaur theme. We all wore masks, and it was really cute. I'll have to make another layout because it came out really cute. And so I want to make sure to add a picture of my mom and my son. And then the next 3x4 picture over is a picture of my son and my youngest son. We went to go see him compete at one of our local colleges, and he did really well. He came in, I believe, 12th place, and there's like so many runners there. And our school came in, like most of our runners came in first. So that was pretty awesome. They've had such an awesome season. And so I just put a little die cut that said watching, because we've been watching him compete for these last couple of weeks. It's been really fun. At first it started every Friday, and then it switched over to Thursdays. We would go to a different place and see him compete with other runners. And so my son does really well in cross country. He loves to run, and we love to watch him. So that die cut was suitable. Moving on to the bottom 4x6 picture. I can't even talk, guys. Sorry. I'm really tired. Is a picture of my daughter and her boyfriend going to their homecoming dance. And I absolutely love this picture because it just showcases them in blue and white. And you could just see their initials of their school in the background with the big lights and the black balloons and different sizes, and it just looks really cool. So I absolutely love that. So I wanted to add that there. And then I added a little heart here between my son and my mom. And I did have a photo shoot with my daughter and her boyfriend, which I'll have to do on a separate layout because they came out so good. My daughter looks so beautiful. I know, she's my daughter and I am biased, but she looked beautiful. And I absolutely love when they get all dolled up and she gets all dolled up and he gets all dapper and they just look so cute together. So here I'm just gonna journal a little bit on my card here. This is also Elle Studio. I think it says thankful for this, and then I use my rolling date stamp. I always have to make sure that I stamp it on something because sometimes I'll stamp it upside down or the number's off or it's tweaked, and so I have to roll it in place. So just to make sure that I got it right. And I just journal a little bit about my mom and how grateful and thankful I am to have her here with us. She didn't always live in this area. She lived down in the LA area, and we moved her up north with us. She had some issues going on, and so we wanted to have her close by, and I'm so grateful that she is, because it's so nice to go by and see her. Or, I always used to call my mom all the time, or we'd text, every day. But just being able to see her is just amazing. And I have my kids visit her is just such a big thing for her. So we enjoy having and decorating and participating in all the different seasons, and it's just awesome. We're looking forward to so much celebrations in the future. So just wanted to journal a little bit about that, and that is it, guys. This week came together really quickly. Here's my finished layout. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I hope you guys are having an amazing October. See you in the next crafty video. Bye, guys.